Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this reverse ombre cut crease here, and I'm going to be giving you the details on these lashes, which I am in love with, like, oh my god. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Let's get straight into this video. So the first color I'm going to go into is going to be Secret in the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette.
Why are you so ashy?
Next shade I'm going to be taking is Alert from that same palette. Alright, I'm going to go right back into Secret and just blend that out. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Rush and go right above where I placed Alert. So now I'm just going to cut my crease using... Alright, for the first shade on my lid, I'm going to take this cream shade here from the Morphe 35O palette. And now I'm going to go into Mugshot. Alright, I'm going to go back into Secret. Now for my favorite part of the look, and I'm going to take my Morphe 432 brush, and we are just going to create a wing. So every color that I used for my lid, I do in reverse for my liner. I did get some lashes sent to me by the Dream Collection. They are a part of their Country Girl Wink lash line. Shout out to Kiara, who is the owner. She sent me 2 pair. I have the style Tumbleweed, and I also have the style Sweet Potato. And I'm trying to see, which one is speaking to me. I feel like Tumbleweed is gonna be that lash today, so yeah, I'm gonna go with Tumbleweed. Oh, they're so cute. Can you see that? Not only does she sell lashes, she also sells premium version hair and also apparel and accessories. You know, she has clothing and things like that on her site, so I will definitely leave that link down below for you guys. So let's see what Tumbleweed is hitting on. Oh my god, I love these.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God, that's what I'm talking about.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm here for Tumbleweed. I'm here for it. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Oh, I love how they look with this look. And on top of that, they're so lightweight, and the lash band is comfortable. Yes, excuse my skin. I know it's looking raggedy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera. I'll be back in just a second. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, if you made it this far, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.